Hello, let me show you video quality of the Samsung Galaxy A57 for each mode. Okay, so now we are starting from the ultra wide angle, 0.6. Now the main lens, 2x zoom, 4x, and the 10. We have Full HD 30 frames per second, that's the ultra wide angle, 1x, 2x, and 4, and the 10x. Right now Full HD but in the 60 frames per second, and as you can see we cannot use ultra wide angle. We got on the 1x and we can go for 2x, 4, and 10. We can find ultra HD resolution with 30 frames per second. Still we cannot find ultra wide angle, so we get a 1x, 2x, 4, and 10. And that's how it looks on the Samsung Galaxy A57.